The Inspector General of Police, Adegoke, has once again demonstrated good leadership through the Commissioner of Police Lagos State Police Command, Adegoke, who presented checks worth 168 million to 86 families of officers who lost their lives in the line of duty.
I'm delighted this morning to present these checks for the families of our fallen heroes, our fallen colleagues who sacrificed to make this country better. You all know the nature of our job. The job is such that when you are leaving your house in the morning, you are not sure whether you are coming back. But that's the job we have signed for, and we have no choice but to do the job with passion. These are fallen colleagues, sacrifice, work with passion, and because of the job, they lost their lives.
While presenting the checks to the families on Wednesday, 17th January 2024 in Lagos, the CP emphatically applauded the IGP's gesture and leadership in driving the force towards a safer Nigeria. Meanwhile, beneficiaries who couldn't hide their joy interacted with our correspondent.
They've been trying, though ever since my dad left us, we've been struggling, but it has not been easy, but we still thank God and we thank them as well. So
I'd like to say thank you. We really appreciate for not forgetting us and not forgetting our father's memories, for bringing back our father's memory entirely.
Honestly speaking, I want to thank the Commissioner of Police for this great job, because it's not everybody that will do what he's doing, and may God bless him. May God increase him in whatsoever he's doing. This thing he's doing is a wise decision. King Solomon did same, and he lived long. I'm praying for him to live long. He will see his great-grandchildren. This money he gave to us, we are going to invest it wisely to train our children, because it's not our wish for our husbands to die. But who are we to caution God? It's just nature. We can't cheat nature. If it comes, we accept it the way it comes.
However, the recipients are strongly advised to make use of the stipend judiciously for a better tomorrow.